New tonight, we've learned millions of dollars meant to help put former foster kids in stable housing as they age out of the system are still going untouched in Georgia.
11 Alive investigator Savannah Levins first brought this issue to light last year. Savannah, your report revealed Georgia was utilizing less than 1% of available money here.
Yeah, can you believe that? Housing authorities in our state have had access to nearly $13 million to offer up to foster youth aging out of the system. Our original investigation revealed that money was not being claimed, and new reports show not much has changed.
Kids are not getting housing vouchers that they need, is the bottom line.
During a Georgia subcommittee meeting Thursday, advocates with nonpartisan research organization Voices for Georgia's Children expressed concern that funding meant for foster kids is still going unused. Nationwide, 40% of young people exiting foster care experience homelessness by the age of 21. It's why the federal government introduced the Federal Youth to Independence, or FYI, voucher program in 2019, providing up to 36 months of rental assistance for young people aging out of foster care. Last year, 11 Alive News Investigates found most housing authorities in Georgia either didn't qualify because they weren't hitting funding utilization requirements or just didn't apply at all. During Thursday's meeting, an updated picture shows some improvement, but miles to go.
Georgia currently ranks 45th in the nation for FYI utilization, with only 8 applicants in 2024, according to the data that we have looked at, despite hundreds of youth being eligible.
Our investigating revealed the voucher program also requires the state welfare agency to help secure that money by providing local housing authorities lists of eligible youth in their areas. But Georgia DFACS told us it doesn't even keep a list like that. Last month, an executive order issued by President Donald Trump acknowledged those failings, requiring the federal government to intervene, putting a May 12th deadline on the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to improve the collection of state-level child welfare data. And earlier this year, Governor Brian Kemp signed a new bill into state law offering housing and education grants for foster youth pursuing an undergraduate degree, up to $30,000 per applicant. Still, advocates say Georgia needs to do more to ensure each available cent is connected to eligible youth.
We could use some leadership in every one of the 159 counties on this issue.
Now, those advocates are also asking for more transparency about which housing authorities are applying for these vouchers and which aren't. That information is not currently collected or reported on the state level.
Well, Savannah, I remember last year you featured a young woman who had recently aged out of the foster care system and was about to become homeless. Do we have any new information on her and how she's doing?
Yeah, that's Tajay. That's the woman you saw there in that video. And yes, 4 months after our original story aired last year, we were able to get her access to one of these vouchers. She's one of very few in the state who actually got one. She's been in her apartment thanks to those funds for the past year now. Actually, I think exactly a year today. So you can see what a difference that money and stability can really make for these young people who might otherwise be on the streets.
Some really important information and resources. Savannah, thank you so much. And some of our very important investigations all start with tips from you at home. So if you have something you'd like for us to take a look at or investigate, you can reach out to our team. You can call the number here on your screen, 404-873-9111. You can also email us at investigates@11alive.com.